Tired of complicated money transfers and endless fees? Today, we're cracking the code on sending money seamlessly from Alipay to Alipay, making those transfers quick, easy, and stress-free. First, open your Alipay app. Look for the transfer or e-icon. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Tap it. Now, you have a couple of options. You can either enter your recipient's Alipay ID or their mobile number linked to their Alipay account. Input the necessary information. Before proceeding, double-check that the recipient's name and profile picture match the person you intend to send money to, preventing any accidental transfers. Next, enter the amount you wish to send, and you can also add a short message for the recipient, then tap Confirm. For security, Alipay will prompt you for verification. Use your fingerprint, facial recognition, or password to authorize the transaction. And that's it. You should now see a confirmation screen, indicating that your money has been successfully sent. Keep an eye on your transaction history to monitor your transfers and any associated fees, which are usually minimal. If you encounter any issues, Alipay's Help Center has you covered. Now go enjoy seamless transfers.